You try it, you get it, you learn it together, you learn it together, you try it, you learn it, you study English, English, everywhere, study, you get it, learn it, stop it, read it, repeat it, you get it, repeat it, and shake your hands, and shake, open your books, you try it, you get it, you learn it, you study it, you read it, you write it. Shake. Shame on you. You try it, you shake it, you move it, you start it, you move it, and shake it on, shake it on, shake it on. And now, repeat the game again. And now, repeat the game again. And now, repeat the game. Shake, study, listen and repeat the action. Action please. Shake it.